गोवा एथलेटिक्स असोसिएशनाची नवी कमिटी नेमयार जाली. फ्रांसीस सार्दीन संघटनेचो नवो चेअरमॅन जाल्यार अध्यक्ष नरेंद्र सावयकार. खेळा मेळार गोंयचें नांव मुखार व्हरपा खातीर नवीन समिती वावुरतली म्हण सावयकार उलयलो. बांबोळे एथलेटिक्स स्टेडियमार आयतारा सकाळी वेंचणूक जाली.
Goa, besides being a tourism destination, is also known as the destination for the various sports events and activities. The Goans are also sport lovers. Many a times it so happens that whenever in Delhi also the issues as regards the sports are being raised and discussed, the Goa is one of the states which is being definitely considered and is within the zone of consideration. In Goa, at least so far as the Athletic Association is concerned, for the year 2017 and 18 we proposed to hold a 50th State Athletic Championship as well as a coaching camp in the Diwali vacation. See, this is to guide and cultivate the sense of sportsmanship among the sports lovers and the young generation and the students. We in Goa, for last 2 years we have been thinking of organizing the national events. That is the national games, and it was postponed. So I am given to understand that these national games would be organized next year, and I am quite confident that the events like national games would help and would create a sense of participation in the sports events amongst the younger generation. The national cross country championships will be organized. Athletics clinics and examination also will be conducted. The programs for the kids and also various other programs for the sports lovers will be organized by the
साखळेचो चैत्री उत्सव फामाद. चैत्रेक साखळे पांडुरंगाच्या देवळान हजारांनी भाविक दर्शन घेवंक येतात. मोठी फेरी भरता. पळयात साखळेचो चैत्री उत्सव. हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.